What's up, guys? Welcome to another day of my life. Here's Diana. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all my hairstyles that I do through my week and the different accessories that I use. And as you can see, I have my hair braided, and this is a cute style, but that doesn't mean that you cannot do different things. So, like my video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. I always post videos about my life, my workout, my routine, and my daily life. So without further ado, let's go. All right, my friends, thank you so much to watch all the way to the end. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave your comment below which style do you like, which uh, accessory, hairstyle, anything that you like. Or if you like more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do. And thank you guys and see you in another video. Bye.